Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. All I need this Easter is your love. You are the joy in my resurrection story. My love for you grows like spring blossoms. This Easter, I celebrate love because I have you. You're the miracle I never saw coming. In every egg, every bloom, every breeze, I feel you. You make my heart hop with joy. Forever grateful for your love this Easter. My heart is yours, always, in every season. With you, life feels like Easter morning, full of hope. You're my favorite Easter egg, one of a kind and full of surprises. You crack me up and fill my heart with love. Let's hop through life together side by side. Some bunny loves you, and it's me. Together we write our own Easter story, one of grace, love, and forever. You are the warmth after the winter, the light after the dark. You make my world bloom. Love is eternal, and I'll keep loving you beyond every Easter. You're my jelly bean in a basket of life, sweet, colorful, and always needed. Every bunny needs some bunny to love, and I've found mine in you. You're the chocolate in my Easter, irresistible and sweet. You've resurrected parts of me I thought were gone. Your love is my greatest renewal. You hold my heart with the tenderness of spring. Let's make Easter memories that last forever. You and me, cuter than any Easter bunny. Extra thankful for your love this Easter. I didn't know love could be this beautiful until you came into my life. With you, my heart knows peace, like Easter morning silence. Every Easter, I count my blessings.